Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming by, and I hope you stick around. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking to watch another video. I really appreciate you all for all your support. And yes, so let's get right into it. So today I'm going to talk about my second serum, the one that I used after I used the Lancome Genifique one. So if you haven't been watching my videos, what I'm trying to do is to find out what serum to buy, the full-size bottle. So I have 3 that I'm testing. So I'm testing the Lancome Genifique. I've done that one. I'll insert that video somewhere. I'm testing the Clarins double serum, and I'm also going to be testing, after this I'm going to be testing the Estee Lauder Advanced Nightwear Repair Serum. So let's just go ahead and just see what I did. So with this one, I had only 4. I didn't have the bottle. I had this sample size, and I thought I'll be able to use the 4 samples that I had for 5 days. There wasn't really much in it, so what was there was just, I think what is in it is just enough for 1 day. So I ended up using this for 4 days, and considering the fact that I'd already used the Lancome anyway, my skin was already looking better, I felt it wasn't a very fair assessment. But I did leave my skin for about 4 days without using any serum, just to make it go back to almost how it was before I started using the Lancome. I don't know if that worked or not, but yes, this was how my skin was when I started. So I went ahead and used it for 4 days, and I'll just give you my thoughts about this serum now. So when I went into the store to get the serum, I asked the lady why it's one of the best, because it says #1 anti-aging serum in the UK. So I asked her about that. She said it contains 21 plant extracts, including turmeric. Turmeric is known to help with skin discoloration. In fact, there's so many experiments that people have done using raw turmeric, which I'll probably try as well, you know, and they claim that it's really helped their skin. I'm going to try that. I'm going to put that to the test as well when I finish this. But let me just read what it says. It says Clarins double serum is a complete age control concentrate formulated to help work on the 5 vital skin functions for visibly younger looking skin. It acts on the appearance of major signs of skin aging and contains 21 active plant extracts, including turmeric. So one thing I discovered was that it was a bit more oily than the Lancome one I used. So in that situation, I wasn't able to use much moisturizer. I didn't really use moisturizer with it as well. I only used the serum because it had oil as well. But I think with the bottle, I can control the amount of oil. The serum has 2 parts. It has the concentrate, and it also has the other oily part. But what I did was I didn't have any control over how much I could get out of it, how much of the oil I could add, because it was in this sample pack. So if I eventually go and I get the full-size bottle, then I'll probably be able to test it better. It did actually work on my skin, and my discoloration was reduced, you know, and it was all right. I think I prefer the Lancome Genifique to this one. So, but I'm still going to try it. I'm going to maybe go into the store and see the bottle and actually have a feel of the real thing. And I'm also going to do the turmeric experiment as well, and I'm going to see if that's going to work quicker than this serum, because as you can see, it's not as if my dark areas are completely gone. So yeah, I'll try and see if that's going to work better as well. So guys, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell, please share, like and comment, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.